The company's most audacious design to date, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, defies all expectations both on the open road and on the storied Formula One racetracks. More than simply an RV, this mobile masterpiece demonstrates Ferrari's constant commitment to elegance and performance. With its aggressive lines, sleek carbon fiber panels, and the recognizable Prancing Horse insignia, the exterior is a sculpted wonder of aerodynamic design. With an astounding 900+ horsepower, the hybrid V8 engine powering this mobile home's amazing design enables it to reach previously unthinkable speeds for a vehicle of its size. Luxury travel will be redefined by the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome's flawless combination of engineering, speed, and elegance. You're in a Ferrari as soon as you step into the cockpit, not an RV. The driver has total control because to the dashboard's ingenious ergonomic design. A huge, curving digital display sits in front of a racing-feel steering wheel made of carbon fiber and quality leather. Along with all of the necessary driving data, including as speed, G-force, and real-time engine performance indicators, this screen also shows the iconic Ferrari interface. The majority of the controls are operated via the central entertainment system. There aren't many buttons on the controls itself. The whole dashboard is covered in hand-stitched leather, with carbon fiber and polished metal accents, creating an opulent and high-tech driver-focused atmosphere. The Ferrari DNA is still present in the main living area, which has been renovated for maximum comfort. The interior's open concept, flowing design was inspired by private aircraft cabins. With each surface painstakingly made from the best Italian materials, it is a haven of luxury. The flooring is a smooth, polished composite, and the walls are embellished with rich, velvety leather and delicate carbon fiber accents. With cozy chairs and a fold-out table, the creative arrangement has a living room that also serves as an eating area. With just one command, you can manage your home's lights, entertainment, and climate thanks to voice-activated gadgets and smart home automation. Designed to provide the quality of sleep you would expect in a five-star hotel, the master bedroom is a private sanctuary. It has a full-size bed with beautiful coverings and an excellent orthopedic mattress. Even in the midst of luxury, panoramic windows provide stunning vistas of the outside world and foster a sense of closer connection with nature. The space has a cutting-edge sound system and a smart TV mounted on the wall. In order to give enough of room for personal possessions without dominating the straightforward, minimalist look, built-in storage cabinets and drawers are subtly included into the design. By just changing the lighting, you may be able to create a serene and tranquil mood. The aboard lavatory is a tranquil haven. It features attractive glass doors, a large walk-in shower with a rain-style showerhead, and a straightforward, simplistic design. The sink is a single marble basin with a contemporary chrome faucet fitted in it. The toilet has a modern low-flush design, and all of the fittings are well-made. The floor is non-slip, and the walls are composed of sturdy composites and polished tile. The entire area is intended to be incredibly practical while preserving the atmosphere of a private, upscale spa, the ideal fusion of fashion and utility. The efficiency of the kitchen is evident. This tasty workstation offers many functions despite its little size. It has a built-in induction burner, a microwave oven, a stylish workstation, and an energy-efficient refrigerator freezer that is surprisingly roomy. The outside is kept neat and clutter-free by the push-to-open mechanism of the basic cabinets. A classy touch is added by a marble sink that is streamlined and has a retractable faucet. Gourmet dining is available wherever you go since this kitchen is made to produce culinary wonders while traveling rather than merely providing everyday meals.